Well, with me here today is Alex Joyce, CEO of ReJoyce Financial, on the money. Alex, I'm excited about this topic, gold and silver.
Yeah.
Is it wise to invest in the precious metals?
You know, that's a difficult question to ask and answer with the time frame we have now. I mean, it's a complicated thing. I think when most people consider buying gold or silver or platinum or any precious metal, if you will, commodities as a whole, they think of the storable stuff, right? They think that people are going to buy storable, gold, if you will, the tangible object. But, where we put that in an overall portfolio is a way to hedge. When we have an economy like we do now, where there's interest rate sensitivity, variance, if you will, along with inflation creeping at over 8%, we look at ways to hedge that. In the, from the beginning stages of economics, commodities, gold, is one of the best ways to really do that, Randy. I mean, it's what's called a mean reverting asset. So it's something that you should never really buy and hold for a long period of time, but it is a way to hedge a portfolio. It always has been. But there's always times to get in and get out. Right?
How much of your portfolio should be into gold and silver? 10%, 15%?
Yeah, it's a tough question. It really depends on the topic of risk, right? The topic of risk tolerance relative to return. We start to get into metrics like standard deviation, but the whole category, a blue sliver of a portfolio, meaning alternatives, we start looking at, again, commodities and gold and silver, and what are we trying to do with it? Yeah. Of course, everybody wants to make money, but it definitely comes down to how much risk are we willing to take for that compensation.
Paper gold or the real thing?
That's a great question. The way we do it is going to be ETFs, like when you buy Apple stock or Microsoft stock, right? You're not going to buy the physical certificate, so we like ETFs on it, exchange traded funds. They trade intraday, not to get into too much specifics, but we think that there's certainly a time and place, and we do think that probably today is that time and place, if you will.
Well, I could go on all afternoon here. We're running out of time, but Alex, if people want more information, where can they go?
Of course, they could go to our website, Randy, rejoycefinancial.com. They could call us, 317-903-9157. Doesn't cost a penny. Come in, get a chance to learn more about us. We call it a visit. Judge us, right? We're not good. We're not perfect for everybody, but listen, we help a lot of families and we do what we can.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate that.
Sir. Thank you.